Hi there, Mrs. Ambrosiak here, and today we're going to learn how to multiply fractions using a model. The problem we're going to work with is 2/3 times 3/4. I like to think of it as 2/3 of 3/4. In mathematics, times means of. Because we're finding a part of 3/4, 4 is our denominator, so that means 4 equal parts. So we're going to fold our paper into 4 equal parts so that we are in fourths. I'm going to draw the lines quickly just so that they're easier to see. I want a part of 3 of those fourths. So I'm only concerned about these first 3 sections. Therefore, I want to find 2/3 of these. Because we're now going to talk about thirds, we're going to cross-section it into 3 equal sections. We're going to pretend those are as equal as we want them to be. And again, I'm going to draw the line so that it's easier to see. You can see that I split my original 3/4 now into 12 equal pieces. And I'm finding 2/3 of the 3/4 I shaded. That would be 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. So I'm going to shade in 2/3 of only the 3/4 I'm looking at. 1/3, 2/3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the 12 total pieces, which is equivalent to 1/2. Now, of course, when you multiply fractions, the procedure is just to multiply straight across. 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 4 is 12, and we simplify by dividing the numerator and denominator by a common factor, which is 2, so we get 1/2. The model simply shows why that works. Thank you.